Welcome to the Rainforest Hideaway. I decided that this place would probably be best captured by video instead of just pictures because it's so freaking cool. So yeah, when you pull up the driveway, this is the first thing you see. And yeah, Rob he bought the property, and I think he said 98, and he's built all of the buildings himself. Every single sculpture and statue and bit of furniture, anything made out of wood, is all him. So there are two main cabins. One is attached to the main house. The other one is just on the other side of the pond. One of many ponds. And I'll do a tour of that first because it's really cool. So yeah, cabin number 1092, because keeping it at 1 and 2 is just too boring. And go into the amazing outdoor bathroom. With the Buddha fountain, which isn't running at the moment, but could be. And I think we need to clean out the bathtub, but yeah, this place is too cool. And that's video number 1.